Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by arranging a guardian gateway. Ask a parent or legal guardian to open Google Pay on their device and confirm they will add you. Once they agree, make sure they have a verified bank card or bank-linked account ready. This is the payment source you will use. While they stay signed in, share your full name and email so they can invite or add you as an authorized user. Do this now so the app shows the correct identity and linked funding source. Next, use Google Family Link to create or link your under 18 Google account. This is the mechanism Google supports for minors. Once linked, the Guardian opens Google Pay, selects payment methods or family sharing, and adds your account as an allowed user or family member. Make sure to complete any identity verification prompts using phone number or ID. This prevents holds. Once done, confirm you can request or receive payments, and that the Guardian's card is listed as the funding source in your Google Pay profile. Finish by testing the flow. Request or receive a small $1 transfer to confirm permissions and visibility. If it fails, make sure Family Link allows payments, the Guardian's bank card is verified, and your account age is correctly set under 18. Once fixed, remove test funds and set spending rules with your Guardian. If problems persist, capture screenshots of errors and contact Google support. Give them the payment, attempt ID, and permission screenshots so they can resolve blocks quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.